snow,
Hi,
snow,
Jamie.
snow, 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 snow.
Where are you going?
Go party, it's a snow day. You won't be tardy cause it's a snow day. You can sip hot chocolate cause it's a snow day. And you don't have to do your homework, it's a snow day. You can find me in the dub, coffee in my mug. Mama Nature's dropping snow and your school is staying shut. If you're into wearing sweats and you're into wearing Uggs, come get real snug cause nothing's opening up. When you pull the shades up, you'll see snow on your shrub. When I say a couple feet will pile up. When I say it's a snow day, all the students show me love. Even teachers on the low are like, hey yo, thank you bruh. Look homie, the season's changed, snow's down, feet up. I'm telling folks to wear a coat so that they don't freeze up. When you watch me on the tube, I hope you like the way I predict. Been hit with a few complaints, but I don't walk with a limp. Feeling good in LA, they're saying, boy is it hot. It's nice, but they gotta go to school and get taught. But out in New York, this winter's got the snow going loco. Your plan should just to be drink a bunch of hot cocoa. Fully focused man, squall line on my mind. Been at work since yesterday and I'm still on the grind. Now parents say they're digging my style, they're digging the snow. But not again tomorrow, cause these kids gotta go.
Yeah, because I'll be posting your video. But, it's fun? The weather? Is it so cold? Freezing cold?
It's good. I'm going to swim.
Okay.
I'm going
You have to go here. Look at the trees, guys. Natutulog sila during winter. Pero pag summer, buhay na buhay naman yung mga punong yan. And this area, it's a swimming pool which is open every summer lang daw. So, too bad. Hindi natin siya magagamit today. Oh, look. Parang siyang footprints in the snow. We only have 40 minutes left because the sun will set in 4:40 p.m. Guys, look at the ice. Matigas na siya. And it's melting. Maski isa lang niya. Slide. Enjoy man mga bata. Parang silang dalawang magkapatid lang yung gumagamit nito. Slide tsaka ang isa swing. Kasi nung isang araw yung kapatid niyang bunso naman yung nilaro ko dito. Tulog kaya siya naman. Alternate daw sila. Para siyang stalagmite ba to? Ay, makikita sa kuweba. Look. Yeah. I'm taking a video. We are going home. Jamie. Grabe yung ice. Now we're home. And we're finally home. Eto, sinesegregate nila yung
Open.
mga plastic
Open.
cans. You just have to pull down and open.